Welcome to this video tutorial on building web applications with JavaScript. In this tutorial, we will explore the fundamentals of building web applications using JavaScript, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. JavaScript is a powerful language that is used to create dynamic and interactive web pages. It is a client-side scripting language that runs on the user's web browser, making it an essential tool for web developers. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of JavaScript, including variables, data types, functions, and control structures. We will also explore how to use JavaScript to manipulate the document object model DOM and create dynamic web pages. In addition, we will cover some of the most popular JavaScript frameworks and libraries, including jQuery, React, and Angular, and show you how to use them to build powerful web applications. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced web developer, this tutorial will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to build web applications with JavaScript. So, let's get started. Before we dive into building web applications with JavaScript, let's first review some of the fundamental concepts of the language. Variables are used to store data in JavaScript. They can be declared using the var keyword, followed by the variable name and an optional initial value. For example, var x equals 5 declares a variable named x with an initial value of 5. JavaScript supports several data types, including numbers, strings, booleans, arrays, and objects. Numbers are used to represent numeric values, while strings are used to represent text. Booleans are used to represent true or false values, while arrays and objects are used to store collections of data. Functions are a key concept in JavaScript. They are used to encapsulate code and make it reusable. Functions can be declared using the function keyword, followed by the function name and a set of parentheses. For example, function addx y return x plus y declares a function named add that takes two parameters and returns the sum. Control structures are used to control the flow of code in JavaScript. The if statement is used to execute code based on a condition, while the for and while loops are used to repeat code a certain number of times. Finally, the document object model DOM is a programming interface for HTML and XML documents. It represents the structure of a web page as a tree of objects which can be manipulated using JavaScript. This allows developers to create dynamic and interactive web pages. In the next segment, we will explore how to use JavaScript to manipulate the DOM and create dynamic web pages. As we mentioned in the previous segment, the document object model DOM is a programming interface for HTML and XML documents. It represents the structure of a web page as a tree of objects which can be manipulated using JavaScript. In this segment, we will explore how to use JavaScript to manipulate the DOM and create dynamic web pages. To access an element in the DOM, we can use the document object, which represents the entire web page. For example, document getElement by ID element returns the element with the ID myElement. Once we have access to an element, we can manipulate its properties using JavaScript. For example, element inner HTML equals hello world sets the inner HTML of an element hello world. We can also add and remove classes from elements using the class list property. For example, element class list add me class adds the class my class to an element, while element class list remove me class removes it. In addition, we can create new elements using the create element method and add them to the DOM using the append child method. For example, var new element equals document create element div creates a new div element, while parent element append child new element adds it to the parent element. By manipulating the DOM with JavaScript, we can create dynamic and interactive web pages that respond to user input and update in real time. In the next segment, we will explore some of the most popular JavaScript frameworks and libraries and show you how to use them to build powerful web applications. JavaScript frameworks and libraries are pre-written code that can be used to simplify and speed up the development of web applications. In this segment, we will explore some of the most popular JavaScript frameworks and libraries and show you how to use them to build powerful web applications. jQuery is a fast, small, and feature-rich JavaScript library. It simplifies HTML document traversal and manipulation, event handling, and animation. jQuery is widely used and has a large community of developers, making it easy to find support and resources. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It allows developers to create reusable UI components and manage the state of an application. React is widely used in the industry and has a large community of developers. Angular is a JavaScript framework for building web applications. It provides a complete solution for building complex applications, including data binding, dependency injection, and routing. Angular is widely used in the industry and has a large community of developers. Vue.js is a progressive JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. It provides a simple and flexible API for building complex applications. Vue JS is gaining popularity in the industry and has a growing community of developers. By using these frameworks and libraries, developers can save time and effort in building web applications and focus on creating unique and innovative features. In the final segment, we will summarize what we have learned in this tutorial and provide some resources for further learning. In this tutorial, we have explored the fundamentals of building web applications with JavaScript. We covered variables, data types, functions, and control structures, as well as how to use JavaScript to manipulate the document object model DOM and create dynamic web pages. We also explored some of the most popular JavaScript frameworks and libraries, including jQuery, React, Angular, and Vue.js, and showed you how to use them to build powerful web applications. To continue learning about JavaScript and web development, here are some resources you can check out. Mozilla Developer Network Indian JavaScript Guide, https://developer mozilla.org/nus/doc/web/javascript/guide. W3 Schools JavaScript Tutorial, https://www.w3schools.com/js/. Free Code Camp JavaScript Curriculum, https://www.freecodecamp.org/learn/javascript algorithms and data structures/ JavaScript 30 by WizBoss, https://javascript30.com/. Udemy JavaScript courses, https://www.udemy.com/topics/javascript/. We hope this tutorial has provided you with the knowledge and skills you need to build web applications with JavaScript. Thank you for watching.